All right, update video, Bayfront, Bayville. There's the water out there. It's Halloween 2023, and there's our fireplace. Big, tall cathedral ceilings, like 20-something foot plus. And there's our nice solstice fireplace. And we're here for our first annual service. It's getting chilly out and gray, so it's a nice day for a fireplace. Looks good. Did the nice tile work around it. This is the solstice with the larger logs, glowing embers, nice standard fire brick. And there it goes. It's glowing embers. Nice and peaceful. Alright. Good on a cold day. People always love their fireplaces. And that's it. There goes the solstice.